Hello everyone and welcome to another video in Erpag tutorial series. Today we are going to talk about critical workflows. When we say workflows, we need to think about their nature. Most of them, if you don't use or you are in the spreadsheet handling and you don't use any kind of professional software, then these workflows are organically developed. So you start with some procedures like purchasing, sales, and they evolve in your company as you grow, and there is a point where you cannot track them anymore, or they are too complicated to be tracked in the spreadsheet, so you need to move on and use some professional software for handling, for example, manufacturing or complex purchasing and sales. So from that perspective, you can see now that workflows in general can be split in two groups. First group are the workflows that are standard, like how to create SKU, how to handle lot numbers, and the second one are critical workflows for your business. And these are specific workflows that are specific for your type of business, and these workflows are what makes your business unique. So when we are talking about writing down workflows, I would recommend that you make two groups of them, as I said earlier. One are the standard ones, and you can just run through them to see if there are some specifics for them in your business, and another group are the critical workflows. For example, you are a manufacturer and you have units that are based on bill of materials, and when you render new orders, you need to produce them, and some components are based or dependent on the contractors. So you have a standard procedure how to handle that in your spreadsheet, or you don't handle that, you just do it as it comes. But this is a simple example of how you need to test if the new software that you want to implement is supporting that kind of feature. Another one is, for example, handling multiple omni-channels and sales, for example, from your e-commerce site and the brick-and-mortar store, and how do you handle purchasing. So you need to write down how do you, for example, purchase, how do you do your sale, how do you manage your inventory movements, how do you handle slowly moving inventory parts, and then you need to compare them against the standard procedures in the ERP that you wish to acquire, and to test really in real conditions is that feature can be implemented in your company. And there is one, I will not say problem, but it is more like something that you need to make a compromise on, and this is the part where you have your procedure and software does not fully follow the procedure from your company. In that case, you need to make some compromises and see, is that something like a breaking point for you, or it is something that you can manage, and with the help of developers or with the change of procedures, you can manage that and make a bridge over, so it can be implemented in your company. Now is also a good time to mention, from our perspective, some critical workflows. These are integrations, and integrations are really specific for each business. For example, some businesses use QuickBooks as accounting side, or Shopify as an e-commerce channel. So it is specific for each business to check integrations and to fully test them with a new ERP solution. Okay, that's all regarding the workflows. So please have in mind that there are two types of workflows. One is basic workflows, and another one is critical workflows. So just pay attention for the critical ones, and fully test them before buying a new software. Thank you. See you in the next video. Share this video with your friends, with your business associates. Maybe they will also find something interesting here.